When it comes to upgrading windows, homeowners in West Jordan have many options to choose from. From wood and aluminum to fiberglass and composite materials, selecting the right window type can significantly impact a home's appearance, comfort, energy efficiency, and maintenance requirements. Among the available choices, vinyl windows continue to stand out as one of the most popular solutions for residential properties. Known for their durability, affordability, and energy-saving benefits, vinyl windows offer a combination of features that appeal to homeowners looking for long-term value. Whether replacing aging windows or upgrading a newly purchased home, many West Jordan residents find that vinyl windows provide an ideal balance of performance and practicality. Excellent energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency. Maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures throughout the year can be challenging when older windows allow drafts and heat transfer. Modern vinyl windows are designed with insulated frames and advanced glass options that help reduce energy loss. Many models include double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and gas-filled chambers that improve thermal performance. By helping keep warm air inside during colder months and limiting unwanted heat gain during warmer periods, vinyl windows can contribute to a more comfortable home environment while potentially lowering heating and cooling costs. Low maintenance requirements. Unlike some window materials that require regular sanding, painting, or staining, vinyl windows are known for their low maintenance design. The color is integrated into the material itself, which means homeowners do not need to worry about peeling paint or frequent refinishing. Routine cleaning with mild soap and water is often enough to keep vinyl windows looking their best. For busy homeowners in West Jordan, this convenience is a major advantage. Less maintenance means more time enjoying the home and fewer expenses related to window upkeep over the years. Durability and weather resistance. Windows are constantly exposed to changing weather conditions, making durability an important consideration. Vinyl windows are engineered to withstand a wide range of environmental conditions without warping, cracking, or corroding. Unlike wood, vinyl does not absorb moisture, which helps reduce the risk of rot and deterioration. It also resists many of the issues that can affect metal window frames, such as corrosion and oxidation. This durability allows vinyl windows to maintain their appearance and performance for many years, making them a dependable long-term investment. Cost-effective value. Many homeowners seek improvements that provide a strong return on investment, and vinyl windows are often recognized for delivering excellent value. Compared to some premium window materials, vinyl windows are generally more affordable while still offering impressive performance characteristics. Homeowners can enjoy benefits such as improved energy efficiency, enhanced curb appeal, and reduced maintenance costs without exceeding their renovation budgets. This combination of affordability and performance makes vinyl windows an attractive option for a wide range of households. Enhanced home comfort. Older windows can contribute to uncomfortable drafts, temperature fluctuations, and uneven heating or cooling throughout the home. Vinyl windows help address these concerns by creating a more effective barrier against outdoor conditions. With improved insulation and tighter seals, modern vinyl windows help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Many homeowners notice greater comfort in rooms that previously felt too cold in winter or too warm during summer months. The result is a living environment that feels more enjoyable throughout the year. Variety of styles and designs. Another reason vinyl windows remain popular is their versatility. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of styles to complement their home's architecture and personal preferences. Popular options include double-hung windows, casement windows, awning windows, sliding windows, picture windows, bay and bow windows. Vinyl windows are also available in various colors, finishes, grille patterns, and hardware options, allowing homeowners to customize their appearance while maintaining the benefits of vinyl construction. Improved curb appeal. Windows play a major role in the overall appearance of a home. Replacing outdated or worn windows with modern vinyl options can dramatically improve curb appeal. Clean lines, attractive finishes, and updated designs help create a fresh and well-maintained appearance. Whether homeowners plan to stay in their homes for many years or are considering future resale opportunities, improved aesthetics can add meaningful value. Potential buyers often appreciate updated windows because they signal reduced maintenance concerns and increased energy efficiency. Long-term performance and reliability. One of the most appealing aspects of vinyl windows is their ability to deliver reliable performance over time. Their resistance to moisture, weather exposure, and everyday wear helps ensure lasting functionality. When professionally installed, high-quality vinyl windows can continue providing energy efficiency, comfort, and visual appeal for decades. A smart choice for West Jordan homeowners. Vinyl windows have earned their popularity by offering a combination of energy efficiency, durability, affordability, and low maintenance. They provide practical benefits that improve everyday comfort while enhancing the appearance and value of a home. For homeowners in West Jordan seeking a window solution that delivers long-term performance without extensive upkeep, vinyl windows remain one of the smartest and most cost-effective investments available. With numerous styles and customization options to choose from, they offer a versatile upgrade that can benefit virtually any home.